ranger checking on who paid for the spots. Myself and Joey, Joey's wife.
I know I came at 5
Joey,
in the morning,
Vince,
so I wouldn't.
these guys all came. Chris.
Yeah, these guys showed up later.
It's gonna be a car camp. Got a couple chairs here by the fire. I brought a bunch of firewood. We're gonna go down and volunteer some cleanup time to Adam. He has to have the rake, the leaves and pine needles raked away from his cabins at least 50 feet. Otherwise, they come up here in the fire department. They fine him. So if you're ever looking for something to do, you want to pay back the area. Adam does a lot for this area. Just go back there and if you see a rake, grab it. If not, ask him. He'll give you a rake. Rake it up. He'll give you some trash bags. Save him some money.
That should be good also.
Adam from Adam's Cafe.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to prevent the fire this summer, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, like if you can pick up what they call those green stuff.
These are the Crystal Lake Cafes. That's Adam's there. He rents these all out. Free firewood if you stay here. That old truck. Well, let's go to put in the dumpsters. Hillshire Farms, hot links. Look at that. You cook them till they split, right?
That looks so good.
Look at that.
No.
You cook them till they split. Till they do the split. So good. Got some mustard. Got some Ballpark Frank hot dog buns. Got some Wendy's chili. And we got an onion. Look at these dogs. Linkage. We have linkage. Look at that. They're just starting to split. Look at that. Put it with a Wendy chili at Wendy's chili. Look at that with the grilled onions. How is it? They're good links. They're good links. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Mine was crispulated on that bench right there for a while.
It's thanks for the fruit. That's awesome.
It is. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all it's.
I would think.
How are they?
Mango.
It's not pronounced mango.
No.
It's
I blew your mind right now. No, it's.
I thought that was.
Okay,
I thought that was
okay,
Blazing
mango.
Saddles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get into the lake, old school style. Laying down in the back of somebody's truck bed. There's cops up here today for some reason. So we're ducking down. We're doing it in style. How beautiful that is right now. Look at that. We are on the east side. Everybody else went to the west side. We're going to the east side. And we're going to go down. There's a trail back here. Some rocks. We're going to go down these rocks. I think it's deeper. I've always bet it like this new lures I was talking about. Look at that. Castmaster. Look how small that is. Look at how small. That's a gold one. Here's a silver one. 1/24 of an ounce. Smaller than the small ones prior. And a Mepps. A 00 in that. Both real nice trout lures. I'm going to give it a try. Sparrow rod. That's my Phoenix. That new Castmaster. So those two guys and those three guys are with us. Chris is trying out a fly rod. The other guy's fishing some Rapalas. I think the other guy's using some spinners. I've tried a bunch of lures. Now I'm trying some bait. This is Crystal Lake. There's a good place to camp right up there. You might have saw a video where I camped during a so-called hurricane. It was up there with a poncho tarp. There's another cool place to camp right back there. No fire pits or anything like that, just backpacking camp. That's Adam's son, the owner. That's his other son, his younger one, his oldest one.
There was a tree over there marked by the
I'll show you something interesting. A lot of the trees up here got cut down because of bark beetles. Well, one of these massive trees over here, when we went fishing, Joey stayed behind. That one there. And I'll show you the stump. He counted the rings. He said it was 233. This tree has been around for 233 years. It sucks to see the old timers go. But that bark beetle really did some damage up here. But look at that. Yeah, counting those rings. 233. All that came off this tree. Unfortunately, there's another one here. There's another one over here. Another one back there. And the two biggest ones in the entire Crystal Lake area, the two most acorn producing trees in the San Gabriel Mountains are now gone. Just west of that blue tent, and coming back this way. So now this is one of the oldest ones still remaining. I think there's one more in that back corner. But this is one of, if not the king left. It'd be great for a multiple hammock hang all over the place. This is campsite 25, I believe. See that? Gone. And before that, a year before that, or 2 years before that, another one that size up there, where my friend Ron had a tent with it. He brought his cat. That tree's gone too. And there's somebody carving it out, or no, tearing something off, I don't know. We're getting ready to break out the ribs. Joey and his wife over here made some steak, mushrooms.
Take another bite.
How fork will travel beats the heart
There you
of a
go.
man.
Don't be shy.
Eating steak in a foreign land.
In a frying pan.
It's delicious.
Delish.
Pure deliciousness.
Unadulterated
As
deliciousness.
somebody I know once said. Maybe once.
So these guys, this is their first time.
Hey.
It's your first time here, right?
Yeah, first timers.
And you guys have a YouTube channel?
I do, but it sucks.
What is it?
Lowered expectations.
Lowered Expectations.
Lowered expectations.
So what you guys making?
Bulgogi banh mi sandwich to share.
Right on. You get that in Westminster?
No, it's
Hawaiian
right,
Gardens.
Yeah, Hawaiian Gardens, right by our house.
They sell in Westminster. That's why I asked.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Little Saigon. Little Saigon.
Yeah,
Propane setup, huh?
yeah. It's a giant propane bottle. Camp Chef. High heat. Gets pretty. Cranks up pretty good.
Look at all this. What's this one, Chris?
Potatoes, butternut squash, onions, garlic, rosemary, basil. The salmon that I noodled out of the East Fork with brown sugar, garlic, and lemon. And then carne asada, cheese, rice, and beans.
Right
All
on.
the fixings.
Salsa,
Guac.
guacamole.
And those look like tortillas.
No, those are sandwiches. Oh yeah, she's there. See those sandwiches. Look at that.
Yeah.
These are called what kind?
Banh mi. Bulgogi banh mi.
Yeah.
Tear it up, fellas, everybody.
Joey over there going crazy with his
Yeah.
saw. Ribs. It's what's for dinner tonight.
Okay.
Hey, how are those ribs?
So good.
Look at that. Mmm. We're gonna take a couple plates down to Adam and his family. We got everybody's got some potato, yams, some ribs, salmon, bukkake sandwich. Bulgogi. What's it called? Bulgogi. It's like you buy at Mr. Lee's, almost Mr. Lee's. It's like you buy at oh, what's the name of that place? Mikali, next to ABC Market and Magnolia and Westminster. They sell these.
Yeah, but nothing on those.
Yeah, these are way better. These are my ribs. Some ribs. I gotta protect my ribs. Look at this. We're not only chefs, we're delivery people.
Delivery guy.
We're delivering these across camp via Coleman Lantern.
2 minutes or less.
Via Coleman Lantern.
Oh, we should walk over to the amphitheater tonight.
We will. Okay, at this camp we did a cleanup down over at Adam's Cabins. Volunteer cleanup, and Joey, Vince here, 4 guys over there. They all helped me, put in an hour and a half cleaning up, and we made a pretty good, nice size difference in one back from his cabins. So besides the free beer and ribs and everything, did a little drawing, and Vince won. So Vince won here is the through night. He won the Archer A1. Now it runs on one. There'll be a link to this in details. Runs on one AA. So you get the reversible clip and drop-proof 1.5 meters, waterproof 2 meters, one AA. This one's got a rechargeable in it. And if you subscribe to Through Night's YouTube channel, they do weekly giveaways. All you gotta do is watch the video and make a comment. But this one's going to Vince. Thanks for helping, man.
Appreciate it.
That couple there didn't find us. They were looking for us.
They did find us. They just found us at the last minute.
He said, my wife and I have been subscribers of you since we lived in Taiwan. We used to watch you in Taiwan, and said if we ever come to California, maybe we'll meet some of these people that we watch. So he lives in California now for a few years, I guess. And we're at Camp 25. They were at Camp 22. She's like, yeah, we were walking by. She goes, and
I saw them yesterday.
she said, she goes, I heard you guys talking, and she goes, I recognize, hey, that's his voice. I hear his voice.
Yeah, it's
So-
very distinct. It's very distinct.
So she goes, we just followed your voice. So that's another one. A lot less going out than I had coming in. I got some firewood left over. I'll use that. You're gonna have some more coming up. I got one coming up on the 25th. That one's already fully full. And then I'm gonna have another one at the Monte Cristo campground. That's coming up. One at some beach, not yet known. And just keep watch.